Okay, we're in a terrible weather storm. Right now it stopped raining. It rained all night long. And it's becoming a little bit of a issue to pack everything all wet. But maybe this coffee's gonna help. Let's go check out the guys, see how they're doing with the bad weather. Jaime's okay. John's okay. I was worried about Gabriel. Gabriel's okay. What's up, buddy? Check on Danny.
Hey, buddy.
You make it?
Perfect, boy.
All right, nice, nice.
My body back.
Okay, I want to show you the breakfast items that we have today. We have one more mashed potato. We have 2 spicy ramen plates and 2 deviled ham cans and coffee. And we're 7 of us. I think we'll be all right though, right?
We'll be all right.
Just a little mini breakfast. What do you think, John?
I think we're good.
All right, great.
I don't know how bad it's gonna be wherever we're going.
I'm with whatever we're doing.
Actually, the giant loop isn't waterproof either, except for the little driveway. Put the heater on. Si no lo huele, tal vez.
How's the pasta? Good? Or ramen? Do they serve this in Italy? Yeah. Oh. Very fresh.
You getting ready to jump out of a plane? Gel battery. You have to warm it up. That's right, you gotta warm her up. Yeah, the battery. She's a big German girl, she likes to be warmed up.
Here's John's Instagram at TwoWheelADV. Make sure you follow him. He's going to do a really cool trip to Alaska on this motorcycle. And I'm sure he's going to post up a lot of pictures and possibly video. Don't miss it. John will be representing Florida Outdoor Adventures on his Alaska trip. I wish I could go. You never know, maybe I will, but most likely I can't. But John, I appreciate you putting my sticker on your bike. It's Florida Outdoor ADV. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Man. It's time to go home. Thank you, Gino, for the great food last night, the great steaks and sausage. Thank you, Danny, for paying for the campsite last night. Thank you, Two Wheel ADV, for leading us through the fun parts of the adventure from Tampa, Miami. And thanks for the great company for the rest of you guys, Mahel, Gabriel, Jaime. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and like, subscribe, and share if you don't mind. Until the next adventure, guys, thanks for watching. And the other bad thing is tomorrow's work. But other than that, it was a great adventure, great time, and I would repeat it any day. Oh, yes. Oh. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.